Hello guys, this is a Suzuki SX4 with the four-wheel drive system. And if you try to jump this vehicle and you get your jumper cable on here reversed, you are going to blow out the Maxi fuse, and the Maxi fuse is located right there. If you try to take it out, you will not succeed. The reason being that it is held in place on that side and on the other side by a 10 millimeter. So start by taking out the negative, and then you can slowly take out the positive and pull the Maxi fuse out. And I believe it should be an 80 amp fuse. So that's what you should do in case you mess up with trying to jump your Suzuki SX4. And the fuse has been changed. Easy peasy.